Hey, this is Trains in Montreal in the main building here at Exporail, and this is the Royal Hudson, Canadian Pacific Railways. This is starting with the tender. "12,000 gallons of water, I'd imagine, for steam engine." Really beautifully painted tender. Usually they're just black. You note that there's 3 axles per truck here, so 6 axles in total on this tender. And as per steam engines, let's see what we have. You have 2, they hide it, but you have 2 wheels there. No, it's 4. As you can see, these are beautiful locomotives when built. A Hudson type locomotive. So it's 4. And 4 drivers. And 4 wheels in front, so it's 44. So it's 44 Hudson. I would love to see this under steam again. Chances of that happening are very slim. Boilers tend to get rusted. The tubes need to be replaced a lot of the times. Very expensive. You can't just put coal in these things and expect it to work. It's a very delicate machine, and if you don't do it right, they will explode on you, because of course the steam is under pressure. And there it has a royal emblem because it hauled around the Queen at one point. What a beautiful machine. And I think I'll end it by going downstairs, having a look at the gearing underneath. These are the rods, the driver rods. And most shop buildings will have some kind of well like this where you can get underneath the locomotive to service it. So if you see there underneath, that's the track, and these are the wheels, bearings, everything like that used to drive this locomotive. There you see the flange of the wheel. And mechanics would come down here underneath in the shop buildings like this and work on whatever needs to be fixed in these steam locomotives underneath.